Hello guys, this is Ward, and for today's video, we'll do a quick bike check of my bike, the Specialized Allez Sprint. So this road bike is an entry-level road bike from Specialized. Nabili ko siya last November 2019 sa Specialized Pasig. So this is a 2019 model disc brake version. So samahan niyo ako as we go through each components and kung ano-ano yung mga upgrades na nagawa ko so far sa bike na to. So please stay tuned.
Let's start with the frame. This is an Allez Sprint disc. It's an all-aluminum frame from Specialized. So sabi nila, the Allez Sprint is built for criterium racing, so medyo aggressive and aero yung riding position nito, as it inherited some of its parts from his big brothers, the Specialized bench and tarmac. So my height is 6'1", and I'm using a size 56 frame. As for the seat post, so it's using an S-Works bench aero carbon seat post, locked in an Allez Sprint aero seat binder. And yung saddle naman is also from Specialized, two-pace sport with steel railings. So sa cockpit naman tayo. So sa drop bar, it's a Specialized shallow drop bar. This is made from aluminum. It's wrapped in a Specialized S-wrap bar tapes. So far, after 6 months of using the bike, okay naman yung bar tapes, hindi naman siya natatanggal, and comfortable naman siya gamitin kahit walang gloves. I'm using the stock stem, 100mm stock aluminum stem from Specialized. Shift levers are from Shimano, so ito yung latest version ng Shimano 105. Since my bike is a disc brake version, so this is using a R7020 hydraulic disc shifter. Yung fork naman na nakakabit is a Tarmac SL6 disc fork. It's a full carbon flat mount taper head tube fork from Specialized. Sa crank naman, it's using a semi-compact 52x3060 chainset from Praxisworks with BB30 bottom bracket. For the pedals, it's currently an M530 SPD cleats pedal from Shimano. So mountain bike cleats pedal to. Kasi I'm still waiting for my road shoes before ko ikabit yung Ultegra na cleats pedal sa bike na to. Front derailleur is from Shimano 105 R7000. Rear derailleur is also from Shimano 105 R7000, and currently yung nakakabit na cassette is Shimano R8000 Ultegra 11 speed 11 to 28P. No, sa built bike, ang nakakabit na cassette dito is also Shimano 105 R7000, but since nag-upgrade ako ng wheels, pumili na rin ako ng bagong Ultegra na cassette. So my upgraded wheels are from Carbonation Cycling. This is a 50mm deep carbon wheels with Novatec hubs wrapped in S-Works Turbo tires. Kakakuha ko lang ng CNC wheels last week. After 20 kilometers of using it, ramdam ko na agad yung difference niya from my stock wheelset na TT Swiss R470 TB. Nagpalit na rin ako ng rotor sa wheelset na to. So currently ang nakakabit dito is Shimano Ultegra RT800, 140mm sa likod and 160mm sa harap. As for the front and rear brakes, I'm still using the stock Shimano 105 R7070 flat mount disc. So after 6 months of owning this bike, na-ride ko na siya for more or less 1,500 kilometers. Okay naman siya overall. Stiffness ng frame is okay. Magaan siya. Currently, nag-weigh siya ng 8.9 kilograms considering aluminum frame siya. Future upgrades for the bike. So far, I'm happy kung ano siya ngayon. Siguro what I need is proper bike fitting na lang and ensayo pa para mas lumakas.
That's it guys. So thank you for watching. If natuwa kayo sa video na to, please hit the like button. And if interesado pa kayo na makita yung mga bikes and bike checks ng mga iba nating KingsFam member, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel KingsFam TV and hit the notification bell below so that maging updated kayo sa mga uploads namin in the future. So again, this is Ward and see you on the road.